Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and in here you'll find a toggle for recording your screen. It's actually right over here. So all you will do is simply tap on it. This will bring up this overlay right here. The first time around it gives you like info what these options are. So anyway, quickly going into this, first one, record. Second one allows you to access all the screen recordings that have captured over the time, settings, and close. Now let's touch upon the settings. In here you will find obviously the settings related to the screen recording and how it's set by default. So if you want to change them, you can do so, but it looks like honestly this is probably good enough. It looks like this phone can't even record at 1080p, which is a little bit of a shame. Now I do recommend changing at least frame rate to 30 instead of the 24. Contrary to what you might have heard, 24 is cinematic. That's a load of bullcrap, so yeah, just change it to as high as this phone can go. From there, you can start recording, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. So if you open some kind of apps, it will be recorded obviously. And once you're done, you can click on this, click again, and this will stop the recording and save it into your gallery application, or yeah, gallery. So let's open this up, and you should see it, the video recording, somewhere in your photos, like the latest one. It should show up right at the top, but you can also quickly locate it in albums, in the screenshots and screen recordings. Now for some reason it's not showing me the screen recordings. Okay. But you can also locate it in videos. Now it should be obviously in screen recordings, but for some reason it's not. Anyway, I'm gonna play it right now just so you can see how it looks like. So there we go, just a quick little demonstration. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.